Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making art dice. This was inspired by a video I saw on Mira Byler's channel. So I found these wooden dice at the Dollar Tree and I thought I would make some art dice, which are basically dice that have different ideas to use to make art. So basically like art props. And so I started by painting the background color for my art dice, which I ended up doing pastel colors by mixing just regular colors with white. Then I drew the designs I wanted on them with pencils for a kind of template background idea. But if you want to just freehand everything, you can do that as well. And then I ended up painting the dice for my color dice, which you will see here. I did different shades of the colors, and so this first side had reds and pinks, and I combined a few colors for each side because I didn't have enough sides to do every color separately. And then I ended up mixing some to make like darker and lighter browns and different colors, or like shades of colors that I wanted. And I forgot to mention before, but when you're painting your background color, if you use a flat brush, I found it gave it better coverage and it didn't look as streaky. So if you have like a wide flat brush, I recommend using that for the background. And then I ended up using like finer brushes for like the little drawings and details. You can just put words on yours if you want, or you can add drawings, or you can do both. I did both here, but the original art dice just have words on them. I just wanted mine to be a little fun. They're kind of like, have you guys seen those story dice? They're kind of like story dice, I guess, or they could be story dice, whatever you want to use them for. And yeah, I just thought it would be a little more fun with some pictures on them, so I added pictures. And then each dice has different topics. So this one here was like different art styles. So I had like abstract, pointillism, different things like that. And I really liked painting this abstract one. I thought it was really cool. And this one here is like mood. So like I did different moods, like happy, sad. So I think this will be really cool when I make artwork with this, because for everyone, mood could be interpreted differently in their artwork. And that's what makes these really fun and unique, is you can personalize them however you want. But no matter how you make your artwork, every artwork that people make is different, and I think that's what makes it like really fun. So I painted these, and then I added outlines to anything that I wanted outlines for, and added the wording. And I didn't have a fine enough paint pen, so you'll see I ended up using a Bic permanent marker because the paint pen I had was all too thick and I wanted finer lines, so I used a paint pen. And then I didn't show in this video, but I recommend adding like a coat of Mod Podge to your art dice just to kind of protect them a little bit. Not sure if the paint would come off with water, but it possibly could, so even a coat of Mod Podge or like a clear spray paint or something should help protect them a little bit if you want them to last longer. So from what I saw in some of the art dice videos I saw on YouTube, it looked like you can use, like, I think a few dice, like maybe 2 dice or more dice, depending. Like, you don't have to use all of them. And the topics I used, like, were inspired by ones I saw on videos. Like, I used some that were, I think, on the actual art dice that I saw in the videos, but also, and then I also added kind of my own ideas, so you don't have to use the same kind of topics or ideas that I have on my dice. You can put whatever you want on yours. You can personalize them to what you want or what you would like on yours. That's what makes them fun. So here I'm just doing my outlines with my Bic pen, and surprisingly it worked pretty well on the paint. I think as long as you don't have super thick paint, this works fine. So this was my mood dice. I was just adding wording to it. You can just leave them as just pictures for people to interpret them how they want, what they think it means, or you can add words, or words and pictures, or just pictures. And then some of these didn't look great just painted without outlines, so I did add outlines with my pen, and I think that really made them stand out more, and I think these turned out really cute. I really liked them. And then here I just put topic ideas for you guys in case you would like some ideas for making your art dice. And then I'm just showing you guys how mine turned out. I think they turned out pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like my videos, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications.